So here we have an airport. There's a big tire, there's the cars. There we have a Delta Airlines flight right there. And the cars again. Here we have Little Caesars Arena. Here we have the parking lot to Little Caesars Arena, right here. There's a bridge right here. There's a ferry coming in the harbor. There's a lighthouse right there. Oops, my bad. The ferry. There's a park back there. Right there, there's the park. Yeah. There's a boat dock right there. There's a crashed car, crashed plane, the bridge to Canada. There's a boat over there. So here we have the buildings, city I mean, is the world. Pretty big buildings right here. Yeah, pretty big. There they are. And right here we have a concert going on. So here's the other side of the city. Some pretty big buildings. There's Ford Field, there's some cars and some Lions fans. And then here we have Ford Field. Here's a pretty big building. There's a crazy jackhammer guy right here. Wow, he went crazy. Here's another building. Right there, we have some cars in the background. Here's a train track right there. Building again. There's school buses in the distance. Right here we have a cargo ship painting on the wall. Here we have some cars in the road and looks like another lake back there. Yep, right there. It looks like we have a factory right here and some more cars. Here's the other side of the factory. Looks like we have some cars here and a building with American flag. Have a gas station right there. Looks like we have another building and a snow plowing truck. Like we have another building right there and a long, long limo. There's a car right there and a bus stop. There's a bus back there. Here's a parking lot. Here I am in real life. Legoland parking lot. Here's a barn and some houses and some kids. Here we have a cave right there and some big buildings right here. Some car and a dragon back there. And here we have Comerica Park. Here. Big baseball game going on. It looks like some Tigers fans and the bay and a bridge right here. Here's some houses. Well, a mansion is what it looks like. And then the park right here. Here we have some Detroit teams right here. Here's some Detroit car dealerships. Right there. Right here we have some more Detroit teams like the Red Wings, Detroit Pistons, the Detroit Tigers, and the Detroit Lions right there. Guys, we're in the Rainforest Cafe, and it's crazy in here. Here's a look.
I'm walking around somewhere. That much longer.
Goodness. Fish tank too. Look, some tigers. Snake alert. Crocodile in the